Activities Mallory.
She is Morning Activities Mallory.
And this is Morning Activities Mason.
And I am Morning Activities Mason.
And today we're in Belva's Bistro cooking pepperoni stromboli.
Pepperoni Stromboli.
Hey everybody, I'm Maggie and this is Sam. And today we're gonna make pepperoni stromboli. We're gonna start off by going through our ingredients.
So what we have here first up is we have some pre-made pizza dough, we have some mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, flour, Italian seasoning, and some melted butter.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a little bit of flour and put it on the table to make sure that your pizza dough doesn't stick to the table. Then you're gonna take your pizza dough and lay it down. Spread it out just a little bit. Then you're gonna take your roller and put a little bit of flour on it as well to make sure that your dough doesn't stick. Then you're gonna roll out your dough into a square. It's okay if it's not perfect. Then you're gonna take some cheese and put it down the middle, just like that. And then you're gonna take a couple of pepperonis and line them up down the middle as well. And then what makes it stromboli is the way that it's folded. So you're gonna take one side and fold it over the middle. Then you're gonna do the cheese and pepperoni steps one more time. So a little bit of cheese and a little bit of pepperoni. And then you're gonna take the other side and fold it over and make sure you tuck in all your pepperoni and your cheese. And then you're gonna take a little bit of butter and rub it on the top to make sure it gets nice and crispy.
Simple enough.
And then you're gonna take your Italian seasoning and sprinkle it on the top.
Like it. Now that we've constructed our stromboli, we're gonna send it to the oven.
So you're gonna take your stromboli and put it on a pan. You're gonna set your oven on 400 degrees and put it in for 15 minutes. Make sure that you're having a parent help you because it is hot. Now that they're out of the oven, it's our favorite part.
Let's eat.
Looks good.
The Pepperoni Stromboli.